Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this clip-on blue light sunglass glass kind of thing. You can check this out here. Looks like it comes with, I guess, two of them here. We'll see if there's any difference between them. I can't remember. Okay, so we have this case here with a yellowish looking screen, and I'm just opening up these little pouches. They come in, and this one here with a clear. So that it does, there are two different ones. They come with the little cleaning cloths, the little microfiber cloths. And then here are the little sunglass, clip-on sunglasses. Let's see, how do we open these? It's gonna be there, like that, opens up this way. And so this is what a clip-on sunglass looks like. So I am wearing some glasses here. So let's see, so you can see here, it's got the little clip. And you push the button and it clips like that, and then clips right on. Boy, that was about the easiest thing to clip on, except I didn't even do it straight, but there you go. You actually wanted over the lenses. And there we go. Now everything looks kind of yellow. So I'm gonna give this a try with my editing, but then I'll just look at the other one here and see what it looks like with the clear one here. So this is the clear one here. So works the same way, kind of push the little button there. So let me take this one off, and you see how fast that was to put on. These are great little clip-ons. So if you need some clip-on blue blocker glasses. And then here. So that's it. Everything, I mean, it makes things a slightly, I guess, almost more vibrant or something, I would say. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna guess you can't tell too much, but it does make things slightly different. This one here makes everything yellow. So pretty cool. So I think I'll try these ones on first when I'm doing my editing on my computer. But it's supposed to block out the blue light. So I'm gonna just trust that it's gonna do what it's gonna do. But I'll see over time if it gives me less of a headache and things like that. So that's kind of the whole idea of it. So kind of cool. I like these. They clip on easy and good. So thumbs up.